Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the left. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to consider about this one. So, if we look carefully about this one, that is about identities. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to s plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constants, so you got 0. So number 4 I can put into number 1 plus number 3. So s plus 1 we change by u, and this one we change by u. The s we change by the u. So u divided by u square, we have 1 over u. This one we have 3 over u square. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s plus 1. And now we go back in here. So the integration of dy, we have y. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.